Hi everyone, I'm Kseny and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today I have a short Qigong routine for laptop workers. So I personally spend a lot of time on my computer, and if you do too, this is a good one to do. You can do it midday or any time when you feel like you need to stand up and move your body. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, relax your whole body. And first we're gonna release the stress. Let it go by shaking the whole body. So begin with your wrists and your fingers. Bring your attention to your palms, to your fingers. Lots of awareness in that area. Relax your wrists. Keeping your shoulders nice and relaxed, your elbows down, just focusing primarily on your wrists. Very good. Then relax, raise up your elbows and drop them down, nice and easy. Releasing that tension from working. Just let it all go. Relax the muscle of the forearms, relax your elbows, relax your fingers. You should feel nice and light. The longer you do the exercise, the more you feel it right down in your fingers. Very good. Slow down. Relax. Next, we're going to lift the shoulders and drop them down. This method is called progressive muscle relaxation. It has both in the Western and the East cultures, so we need to tense the muscles in order to relax them. It's weird, but it works. So lift, tense, and drop. Nice and easy. Again, be gentle to yourself, be loving. Very good. Last one here. And relax. Take a moment here to notice what changed. I immediately feel the heat building up and a bit more relaxed and aware of my shoulders and arms and even the fingers. And then we're going to take it to the whole body. So keep your feet parallel. We're going to gently bounce by bending the knees. Almost like you're trying to kind of push up the floor. And then also relax your hips. Tailbone down. Relax your shoulders. And let everything loosen up. The aim here not to jump so much, rather create the internal vibration. Loosen up the muscles, loosen the joints, let everything relax. Okay, very good. Just a couple more seconds here. Slowly stand up, relax, and take a quick notice how your body feels. A bit more aware, lots of awareness in your legs, in your arms, in your lower back. Very good. And to settle in, going to take a nice deep inhale. And easy long exhale. Inhale up. Easy exhale down. Inhale up. Stand a little taller. Reach up. Exhale, soften the whole body, sink down. Inhale up. And exhale. Very good. Already should feel a little better, a little more relaxed. And then we'll carry on, continue by raising the hands to the side. Bring your attention to your wrist, then rotate the wrist. Nice and gentle. Very good. And then pause, rotate in the opposite direction. Very good. Relax. From here, bend your elbows as almost you fold in your arms forward and then open again. Rotate the elbows nice and wide. Very good. Then pause and unfold. Go in the opposite direction. Open and close. Open and close. Focusing on the elbows. Relaxing, activating the muscles. Get the blood moving. Very good. Last one here. And relax your arms down. Just for a second. Notice what changed. The fingers begin to feel up. From here, nice big range of motion. Open the shoulders. Very good. Then pause and follow in the opposite direction. Very good. Relax your arms down. Already lots of awareness in the shoulders, down the arms. And then bring your attention to your neck. Gently look up, then down, up, and down. Very good. Come back to center. Turn to the left. One more. Very good. Come back to center and do a gentle circle. So trying to warm up the neck muscles rather than actually twisting and turning the spine. So nice gentle rotation. And then a few in the opposite way. Very good. Relax. Come back. From here, we're going to raise the hands forward. Spread the fingers nice and wide. Then relax. Drop your fingers down. Stretch the forearm. Release. Swing the hands to the back. Press against the wall. Squeeze the shoulder blades. And then release. Fingers to the top. Reach up. Relax the arms down. Very good. Then raise the arms to the side. First, we're going to stretch like a cross. Stretch out through your index and middle finger. Then soften, drop your fingers down. Here you'll feel a different stretch right in your forearm. Then soften, press against the wall, more on the inner side of the arm. Then release, go all the way to the top, flex the wrist and press out, raise on your toes. Go as high as you can. Then very slowly relax the shoulders, come back to the floor. Very good. Relax your arms. So already feeling a lot better. Then we're going to step forward, just in a comfortable step, and then raise the arms all the way up, open the chest, open the rib cage, and arching your lower back a little bit, so your rear leg comes to the toes. Then we're going to exhale, lean forward. I'm going to show you here, keeping the back nice and straight, stretch your hamstrings, shift away. Then inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale, open. Exhale. Very good. Continue 2 more. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Very good. From here, step forward. Go again. Inhale, another leg. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Exhale. Very good. Step out, reach, and then let your arms down by the side. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Very good. Lots of awareness in the upper body, in the lower body, in the legs. From here, interlace your fingers. We're going to turn and look up. Open the front of the body. Maybe even shift the weight slightly forward. Look up. Then relax. Turn your palms down and follow your hands. Go down. So here, use your arms to pull you down. Very good. And then from here, lengthen through the spine and look up, just gently. Release and relax the hand. Relax neck, head and shoulders. Let everything just naturally hang down. Very good. Then you can feel free to bend your knees. We're going to slowly move to the side and grab by the leg. So you feel that support, open the side. Then release, roll to the other side, and grab your other leg. Pull yourself a little further, a little closer to the body. Then release, and go again. To the left. Release, and go to the right. Very good. Come back. And then interlace your fingers, raise up, look up, lengthen again, and then relax your neck, shoulders, elbows, wrists, relax the whole body. Very good. Take a nice big inhale, and easy long exhale down. Inhale up, exhale, inhale up, easy long exhale. One more, open, and exhale. Very good. Take a few seconds here to notice how your body feels. Do a quick mental check from head to toe. Relax your muscles, soften, and enjoy. Thank you very much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed this short routine. Let me know how it goes for you in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.